So this is how to find bulk used refurbished phones that you can buy for cheap and then flip them for profit or even use them for your personal use. These phones come from licensed suppliers in China, and this is how you get it. So you go to your browser and you want to search for Alibaba.com. So Alibaba is a B2B marketplace, and this is where we are going to find used phones, used smartphones that we can sell for profit. So if you are looking for iPhones, you are looking for Samsung phones, you are looking for Google Pixel phones, Xiaomi phones, LG, Sony, basically anything you are looking for, you'll be finding them on this website. And this website is very user friendly. So all you have to do is come to Alibaba and you can create an account, because you need to register an account to be able to communicate with the sellers directly. So once you come, you have the option to search by your you can search with a picture right here. So you can take a picture and basically just upload it here. But this is a keyword I want you to use. I want you to come here, and as you can see, we have phones here, but what you can do is search for wholesale. So you come right here, you search for wholesales refurbished. You can see this is the keyword wholesale refurbished mobile phones or second-hand phones. So you can click on this one and then your search will begin. If you have a particular phone, let's say you want it to be an iPhone, you want it to be a Samsung phone, a Xiaomi phone, you can basically just type the name in the search. So this is the results we've gotten so far, and you can see different kind of phones so far. So these ones are, this is Samsung phone, I think, and a lot of phones. But you want to add filters so that your search can be filtered. So you want to come here where it says categories. You want to make sure that they are just used phones. All right, they are used phones. And so now we have a cleaner search or a cleaner result, and we have different phones. So we have different phones right here. So these are basically refurbished phones, and these are actually original phones. They are not clones. These are purely original phones, and you can basically go through each and every one of them and make your purchases. So let's look at these ones right here. So if you look at this one, you can see that it's between $160 to $550, and the shipping has to be negotiated because they don't really know where it's going for now, and it has easy returns. The minimum order is 10 pieces, and this is a company that sells it. This company has been here for 2 years, but you can see other phones right here. So this is like the most foolproof way to do it. You want to come here and you want to turn on trade assurance. So you click on trade assurance, and then you want to deal with only suppliers who are ready to accept trade assurance. So you see these suppliers right here, and now the next thing you need to do is basically just scroll and find any particular phone that you want to basically buy. So let's look at this one. You can basically click on that one, or let's check for something else. So let's look at this one. These are, they say, cheap original used phones. So you can click on that, so you have a proper idea of the kind of phones that they have. So I'll be including a list of verified sellers, trusted sellers that we've bought from in recent times. So I'll put a link in the description of this video in case you would want to reach out to them directly. However, this is how you find them. So if you click on the product itself, this is the minimum purchase, which is 10 pieces. And if you are buying between 10 pieces to 100 pieces, you are going to be buying them for $58. If you buy 100 to 1000, you buy them for $56, which is a $2 discount on each item. and if you are going to buy more than 1,000 pieces, you'll be buying them at $52 a piece. So this is a video of the phone, and this is a Samsung A20 Galaxy A20 phone. So as you can see, it comes with some accessories, and these are the things that it comes with. Of course, some of these accessories may not be the original ones, but the phone itself is a refurbished phone. So if you come here, you see two colors, and by the way, refurbished phone simply means phones that they sort of fixed. All right, so the company they replace some things and they are now back to almost new phones. So these are pictures of the phones. So these are pictures of the phones, and you can basically download these images. So if you wanted to download these images, I use an extension that helps me download these images with a click. So you can look at the pictures of these phones. So you have different pictures. All right, so if you come right here, you see the capacity, you can see the grade. The grade says it's good. It has just 32 gig inbuilt, so I think that's an old Samsung phone. So it says the shipping solution for the selected country are currently unavailable because I am doing this from Nigeria. All right, however, there's still a solution to how you ship it, but you want to look at the phone properly. So you come here, this is a mobile number, A20. This is the version is a US version. It has slight scratch. This is a screen size. This is the RAM. The condition is that it's original used. So this is the brand name. Of course, the brand name is Samsung. This is the screen resolution. This is the front camera, the rear camera, the product's name, and everything that you need to know about this phone. So you can equally see some of them are going to have reviews, but not all of them will have reviews because this is a B2B platform. It is not a B2C. So here you can see the store rating, you can see the online revenue, you can see their main markets, the primary markets where these suppliers have sent phones to. So they have North America, South America, and the rest. This is the delivery rate. They've delivered 98%. And this is the response time, and they collaborate with 10 suppliers. All right, so you can see other things that you need to know about these sellers. All right, so if you come down, you can see other phones frequently bought with. This is a another one. This is the S10. These are iPhones. These are Google Pixel phones. All right, so if you wanted to make a purchase for this, you can basically come here and click on start an order. But let me show you how to get the contacts for these suppliers, and then you can have a chat with them. You can basically have a chat with them from this place, from right here. But if you wanted to get their phone number directly, you can come here, click on the company itself, and you want to see the company profile. This is the company profile, and this is where you find all the phones that they sell. All right, so they sell different kind of phones. You see the company, everything about the company right here. You see their certification. You see they have different languages. They sell Samsung phones, and if you come here, you see their top selling products. This is the A20, the A32 5G, and a whole lot of phones. So these are a whole lot of phones that they have. You can see they are top selling. They have Nokia, they have Samsung, they have Google, they have Huawei, they have iPhones. So you can click on it and see the different iPhones that sells out fast. So these are other phones that they have. If you want to get their contact, again, you can chat with them directly, or you can contact them here. If you wanted to get their phone numbers, all you have to do is you come to this contact here, and this is where you request for their phone numbers. If they have a website, you are going to see it. If you want to send them a fax, you can see it. So this is where you find everything here. So you can click on this, and So once you click on that, you'll be prompted to submit this. This is why you need to log in. You cannot get these phone numbers if you are not logged in. But once you do, this is their accompanying phone and you can basically reach them on phone. This is also the location. This is their store in China, and you can basically copy this. If you have an agent in China, if you want to go there physically, this is where you would find it. So this is how you find bulk phone sellers, suppliers using this website. So I wanted to look at another phone. So you can basically go back and then you can search, just search for any phone that you want to buy, and you'll be seeing the suppliers on this platform. Of course, you have to make sure that you want to deal with suppliers who are ready to give you trade assurance, or you want to deal with only verified suppliers. To ship these phones, if you are from Nigeria, you need a third-party agent that is going to help you receive these phones in China. So again, I'm going to have a list of trusted agents that can help you complete the purchase. So they are going to give you their own address in China, and you have to update it on your Alibaba. So from here, Alibaba can ship it to them, or the seller can ship it to them directly, and then they will send it to Nigeria to you. If you are not from Nigeria and you have a seamless way of shipping, all you have to do is to basically make the payments, and this phone will be shipped to your location. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.